Hello everyone. On this video, you will be learn about finding the sum of arithmetic progression. So to find the sum of arithmetic progression, we have two formulas. One, Sn equal n over 2 a plus l, and the second one, Sn equal n over 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. So now let's see how to use these formulas to find the sum of an arithmetic progression. Let's take the same example which we used in the previous video, that is 3, 7, 11, 15 and so on. Let's find the sum of 100 terms for this arithmetic progression. So first let's use this formula, the first formula, to find the sum. The requirement of this formula is n, a and l. So n we know, that is we are finding for 100 terms, so n is equal to 100. So the next is a, that is already taught in the previous video, where that is the first term, so that is equals to 3. And next is l, so that is actually the last term. So actually the last term of this progression is not known, but we should take the last term as the 100th term, because when we find the sum of 100 terms, the last term of this progression is considered as the 100th term to substitute for this L. So how to find the 100th term? So to find the 100th term, we can use the Tn formula, that is Tn equal a plus n minus 1 times d. So when we want to find T100, that is equals to a, the first term, that is 3, plus n minus 1, so n is 100 minus 1, and d, the difference, that is 4. So this will be equal to 3 plus 99 times 4, 3 plus 99 into 4, 396. So this will be equal to 399. So the 100th term of this progression is 399. So if you want to have a clear idea about this, you can watch the previous video. So in that it is explained in detail. So now we know the 100th term, that is 399. So by substituting L equal 399 and A equal 3 and N equal 100, we can find the sum using this formula. So let's see how to do that. So as 100 equals to n over 2, that is 100 over 2, bracket, then A is 3 plus L is the last term, 399. So this will be equals to 100 over 2, that is 50, 3 plus 399, that is 402, and then when we multiply 50 and 402, we will get 20,100. Now let's find the sum using the second formula. The requirement of this formula is n, a and d. So all three are known, where n is equal to 100, a is equal to 3, and the difference is equals to 4 between each term. So S100 will be equals to n over 2, that is 100 over 2, then brackets 2a, so that is 2 bracket 3 plus n minus 1, so that will be 100 minus 1, and then d, the difference, that is 4, and then you have to close the bracket. This will be equals to 100 over 2, that is 50, then bracket 2 into 3 equals 6 plus 100 minus 1, that is 99 times 4. So this will be equal to 50 bracket 6 plus 396 equals to 50 bracket 402. So again 50 into 402, that is 20,100. So now you all would have noticed, by using the first formula we got the same 20,100, and by using the second formula also we got the same 20,100. So while doing a question like this, make sure you use the correct formula so that you can save your time. Now for this example, if you notice, using the first formula is not suitable, because We knew n, we knew a, but we didn't know L to do this question. So what we had to do is we had to use the Tn formula, and then we found the 100th term, that is the last term, and then we came back to this and we found the sum. But in the second formula, we had n, a, d, all three. So where n was 100, a was 3 and d was 4. So we substituted and we found the sum without finding any other terms. But say if you know the last term, then obviously using the first formula is the most suitable one. So hope you all understood how to use this formula and find the sum and when to use these formulas.